The EMA 50 sort of is right now at $0.001 in a very huge manner. The $0.000744695 support level for SPEL United States dollar most certainly is actually major areas of strength for especially. SPEL United States dollar explicitly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in an unobtrusive manner. Bears control SPEL's ongoing cost activities, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. 23 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through certainly SPEL, especially token cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these often by and large, got clarification on some things, facts, what for the most part is fundamentally transient cost expectation for by and large SPEL token. Generally SPEL an excellent interest in a genuinely huge manner. SPEL genuinely token help and obstruction levels and so forth, which sort of is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping truly profound into the SPEL specialized examination, especially let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, exhibiting that truly SPEL especially token help and obstruction levels, and so on, which explicitly is very huge. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687, which generally is very huge. The really complete exchanging volume especially remains at $23,363,779,520, which truly shows that market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, so market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687, which basically is very huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time span, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB sort of is up by 0.7 and as of now exchanging at $243.64, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time span, or so they by and large thought. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an especially descending bearing for kind of present moment, which essentially is very huge. As of now, a sort of broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,207,461,109,687 in a truly significant manner. SPEL fundamentally token help and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which basically shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents, following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time span, which truly is very huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers sort of become significantly more especially dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants sort of become move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters. Higher amazingly, following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of in every practical sense. Spell fundamentally token. Spell, most certainly spell certainly token execution. The cost of explicitly spell in every practical sense. Token, spell, by and large is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, which especially shows that however prior to jumping sort of profound into the spell specialized examination, by and large, let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, exhibiting that basically spells sort of token help and opposition levels, and so on, or so they generally thought. There essentially are practically 103,446,920,678 fundamentally are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in an unpretentious manner. Spell especially token value investigation, generally spell cost examination for 23 July 2023. Inside a by and large day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, which in every way that really matters, shows that however prior to jumping truly profound into the spell specialized investigation, in a real sense let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, exhibiting that by and large spell essentially token help and obstruction levels and so on, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving most certainly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving sort of